Here also I'm overriding. Void draw. System.out.println rectangle. Here also overriding. Void draw. System.out.println circle. Now you observe this class abstract method I overridden here also, but sealed word if you write, you must write permits. Permits if you write, sealed you must write. That subclass either sealed or non-sealed or final. Sealed if you write, what will happen? This class also you are permitting only few classes. Non-sealed means it is normal class. Final class means this cannot be inherited. Okay. Now, like this, they given. Now, what you can do, see here, main method I'll write here. Public static void main. String args. Graphics G equal to new graphics. Is it valid? Is it valid? Graphics G equal to new graphics? No, because abstract class. Here, new square. Is it valid? It is valid. G dot draw. Is it valid? Yes. Output is square. Compilation, execution. Square. Suppose here, new rectangle. Is it valid? What is the output? Rectangle. This is only runtime polymorphism concept. New circle. Circle class. But here, this is dynamically, if you want to pass, also possible. Dynamically. There is one class to load the class. Java P java.lang.class. Class name is class. This class name is class. For name method is there. This is. Here, class name you can pass. That class loaded. It is static method. Return type class. Method name for name. Class name class. Then what you can do? Class C equal to class dot for name. You can write args of 0. Okay. Now, first 1 minute. Dynamically, if you want to create object, this class will help you. Methods. Write this one. Okay, this generic I'll remove. Normal make it. In the place of T, I'll write object. Now, it is used to load a class. it is used to load a class. It is used to create an object to a class. So with this, you can load the class. With this, you can create the object. Dynamically possible. First here, how to call this method? Class dot for name. You will get a class reference. With this class reference, can I call new instance? Yes, it is instance method, it is class method. So first class dot for name, you will get a class. With that class reference, new instance. Then object. Return type. See. Here for name method, in which class? Class. Is it instance method or class method? Class dot for name. Parameter is string. At the command prompt, I'm going to pass. That is loaded. After loading, new instance method I want to call. C. Return type is object. Object O equal to C dot new instance. Okay. Now, here we required graphics class. We required here square class I load. Suppose square class. Square class if I load, square class loaded, with that square class object comes. With that square class object comes. Then typecasting required here. Typecasting required. Whichever class you load, that class object comes. Suppose square class object comes. Can I assign to graphics? Here. Actually, which class object returns? Object. Can I convert like this? No. Here, suppose square class comes. Square class converted to graphics. Assign. With this, draw. Can I call? No. At the command prompt, one class name I'll pass. Square. Square class converted explicitly to graphics. With that draw method called. Then this draw method called. With the graphics reference, can I call this method? Yes or no? With the graphics reference, can I call this method? Yes or no? Yes, because it is overriding method. It belongs to graphics class only. Overridden. Suppose any other method is there, can you call? No. Using superclass reference subclass method you cannot call, but it is overriding method. We can call. File, save. Okay. Now you observe. Compilation, execution. It is throwing exceptions, no? Checked exception. We have to handle. What you tried? Try catch blocks. See, it is unreported exception. Class not found exception, instantiation exception. Okay. Now, try catch exception. System.err.println e. Java C demo.java. That is debug API. Okay, leave it. Java demo. Say Java demo square. I'm loading square class. Square class object created. Square is the output. Okay. Here dynamic creation. Whichever class you load, that class output comes. Okay. This square output. Okay. Suppose square class. It is rectangle class. It is circle class. See. File, save. Compilation, execution. Here circle. Then circle class. See. Rectangle class. Like this. Here the concept is that is old feature only. This is new feature. Sealed, permits, non-sealed. This is new. So if you want to restrict your class to inherit, then use sealed class. What are the classes you want to allow? With permits keyword declare. Those classes only can inherit. Other classes not possible. And subclass of these classes must be sealed, non-sealed, or final. Anyone you have to write. Otherwise, error. Write example. So it returns object class object. We explicitly converted because up down casting. Is it completed? So loading a class, creating object, calling method. So if we don't write sealed and permits, all classes can be inherited that class. If you write final, no class can extend. If you write like this, some classes can extend, some classes cannot extend. That is, you can restrict. Which are the classes you want to allow? Use your list. Okay, that is the concept. Next feature, pattern matching for switch. Pattern matching for switch. This feature allows to write pattern matching concept in a switch statement. This feature allows to write pattern matching concept in a switch statement. You studied yesterday with if condition. That is, you can write. You studied yesterday if condition, but only what is just in switch case you can write. Okay. If conditions were written yesterday, that is, you can use as a switch. Is it over? See, void show. Yesterday given like this. O. Here, if O instance of string. Let us say given system dot out dot println s dot uppercase. Okay. Else if O instance of integer, I given system dot out dot println integer I. Here I into I. Else invalid. Let us see how seen. Here, demo d equal to new demo. D dot show. D dot show. Here, D dot show, I passed string. Welcome. D dot show, I passed 5. D dot show. If I pass any other, this program you have seen. Okay. File, save. See, compilation, execution. Converted into capital letter, 5 cube calculated, invalid printed. Here, when I pass welcome, received by O, it is instance of string, implicitly converted to string, capital letters. Here I passed 5, here received, condition false, here true, the die value converted, cube calculated. Let us see how seen. This code we can write in switch. How to write in switch? You observe. Switch O, case, string S, arrow, system dot out dot println, S dot to uppercase, case, integer I, system dot out dot println, I into I, default, system dot out dot println, invalid. This is which version feature? Java 17. 17 feature, first preview. 18 feature, second preview. 19, third preview. 20, fourth preview. Still not finalized. Now, if I compile, what is happening? You observe one error coming. Actually, in my system, which version is there? 17. It is 17 feature, 17 feature, it should run. 17 feature, it is not finalized. It is preview feature. That's what system saying. This feature is preview feature. See, it is preview feature. Preview feature by default disabled. You have to enable like this. System what saying? It is not showing syntax error. You must execute like this. It is saying. So Java C --- enable -preview space -source demo.java. We have to compile like this. Then it will compile. Okay. Now Java -enable -preview demo. Then executed. If it is preview feature, you have to compile, you have to execute. Not done. This feature is not finalized. It is a preview feature. Preview features must be compiled and executed as follows. Preview features must be compiled and executed as follows. Java C -enable -preview space -source version demo.java. execution Java enable preview demo. This feature allows to write pattern matching concept in a switch statement. So pattern matching concept already you studied. Pattern matching concept already you studied. That concept allowing to write in a switch without instance of operator only. Their instance of operator will be checked. Here not no checking. Because if else will write conditions. But in a switch case, cases only will write. It automatically compared, no? Not only this one, normal also. If A greater than B, A is the bigger, else B is the bigger, like that will write. But in a switch, what will happen? If it is matched, executed. So same concept. This feature allows to write pattern matching concept in a switch statement. This feature is not finalized. Even Java 20 version, if you install also, you have to compile like this only. Because it is fourth preview. 17 version, first preview. 18 version, second preview. 19 version, third preview. 20th version, fourth preview. In my system, Java 17 is there. If I install Java 20 also, you have to compile, you have to execute like this only. Preview features must be compiled and executed as follows, like this only. Okay. So you are getting like this error. You observe, if you compile normal, see, preview features are disabled by default. So that is a note down otherwise. Note. Preview features are disabled by default. That's what we have to enable. Preview features are disabled by default. So you have to compulsory you have to write enable preview. But while compiling, this is also compulsory. Which version we are using also compulsory. See, if I compile without source, see, enable preview must be used either source or release. So you must write either release. Space. See, compiled. Okay. It is just a warning. It is a preview feature. It is warning. Preview features, deprecated features, we should not use in real-time projects. Deprecated features, what will happen? In future, they may remove library. Then that program will not run. Preview feature, what will happen? This may be cancelled, not finalized. Suppose with this many issues comes, they'll stop. They'll remove that concept. And even you observe, Java 21 features also will be there list. It will be there in a Google. Java 21 features. See, Java 21 features also you observe. The server side.com. It is also official site. See, 21 features also. Actually, 21 not released site. See, JDK 21. It is the official website. Here, 21 features also you observe. 21 features. These many features are there. You observe. But maximum here programming related is not there. A string template, it is going to come. Pattern matching for switch in 21 finalized. You observe. Actually, not released software. They are going to finalize. One more is record patterns. It is finalized in 21. That is going to come in next 2 months. 21. Say, these two features are given as a preview. These two features preview only I said. In 21, they are going to finalize. Otherwise, here also fourth preview, third preview, fifth preview will be there. Okay, that is not there. Those two are going to be finalized. So one new feature is coming: string templates. It is programming related. This is libraries only. This useful feature, string templates, is going to come. So like this, you can see. Say Java version history. If you type here, Wikipedia site, if you open, it is also official site. Official site, if you refer, not a problem. See, 21, when they schedule, 19 September. It is going to come. Okay. Java 22, March 2004, 24. Present, this is going on. Okay. So Java 21 is going to come in September to March 19 September 2023. This is going to come. Okay. And one more thing you observe, 21 is long time support. Then after getting 21, this is also will become pink color. This pink color old version we cannot download. Yellow color long time support we can download, and the green color current version. This blue color future version. See here, old version still maintained, latest version future release. Now always software company will use only LTS softwares, long time supported software only they'll prefer. Still software companies not using 18, 19, 20. They are using only 17. After getting 21, they'll use. Now, even if you want to download 18, 19, not possible to download. Already link removed. That's what pink color. Pink color softwares we cannot download. Not possible to download also. They remove link. 21 long time support. So how many years they are supporting also they are giving. See, Java SE8 still possible. It is commercial purpose up to 2022 only they given. Non-commercial 2030. Still 7 years they can maintain. Further what will happen? 11 they'll use. 11 also 2026 only. 17 2029. This is that is long time support. 2028 up to they'll give. So the all information will be there. Complete information will be there in Wikipedia website. Complete information. This is every day they'll update. Every day they'll update this one. See, preview features are disabled by default. So this concept is switch program, pattern matching in switch. That's it. Write this example. So if I install Java 20 also, we have to execute like this only. 21, we can remove preview option. So as compared to if else if, it is better, no? Instance of operator also no need, right? As compared to if else, it is better. So here without condition only, if you pass welcome received by O, that O compared with S, but internally instance of. Okay, that concept applied implicitly here. Instance of. If it is matched, converted uppercase letter also. Here, if it is matched down, actually downcasting, this is you observe. Now I'm passing welcome. It is string. String received by O. O nothing but object. Upcasting. Upcasting, here converting into string back. Downcasting. That is internally done now. Okay. Here 5 received object converted to integer. Okay. That is again downcasting, auto unboxing, all done. Last feature, record patterns. This feature allows to write record class. This feature allows to write record class in pattern matching concept. This feature allows to write record class in pattern matching concept. So record class you studied now, that is also you can include here. It is which version released? 19. 19 no? 19 released. 20 not finalized. 21 finalized. 21 software not released. We have to wait 2 months. Okay. Now here, suppose one record class I'll write. What we have to write? Record employee number, string, name, float, salary. Open brace, close brace. This line equivalent to 28 lines you have seen yesterday. One line, okay, equivalent to 28 lines code. Now what you can do is you can pass here employee object also. So like this string class, integer class, you can write employee. Case employee. E. This is normal type allowed. It is 17 version also allowed. Like this. System.out.println, suppose E dot employee number. You can print. E dot name. These are implicitly methods added, no? E dot salary. It is works. You can pass employee class object also. D dot show. New employee 101. Name of the employee. Salary of the employee. Like this, you can pass. 17 version also it works. But new syntax came. See? Compiled successfully. Running successfully. This is normal type. Okay. One new syntax came. What you can do, instead of writing like this, suppose if I write these all, is it valid? Is it valid? No. Reason? Those three variables are private variables. Not possible. But what you can do here, you can write like this. New syntax. Like this, you can write. If you write like this, it allows. So private variables allowed. If you write like this, it is new feature. Now, these are private. Within the scope only we are accessing that type. That purpose, this concept introduced. File save, but it is error. In my system, 17 is there. Preview also error. Okay. This is you can write. Later you can test. Anyhow, this is not finalized. Otherwise, if you want to run normal, write this one. It is also record pattern only, we'll call it. It is only better comfort. Now, methods are default. This program running. See? Compilation, execution. This program running. Okay. Go for this. This is also okay. Not a problem. This is also record pattern swing say. So in 18, 19, 20, one feature also not finalized. That's what no need to worry about this. 21 finalized. After getting 21, we can use this. Is it over? See, this program also preview feature. How to compile, how to execute your scene. Already given notes. This is enable like this. Okay. Is it completed? So up to here, your course is completed. For getting more subject, you refer this one. Say my duty completed, but your duty not completed. Okay. My duty completed. Until you reach your target, every day you have to practice until you reach your target. Okay. So my duty completed, but your duty not completed. Daily you have to spend some time for getting programming skills. Coding is not easy. So n number of days you learn, it is not going to end also. That much subject will be there. Okay. So for getting more knowledge, you refer first you refer my notes only. Okay, whatever I taught. Next, Java 2 complete reference book. It is freely available in internet PDF files. And also for getting more knowledge, Sun Microsystem or Oracle Java tutorials, official websites. So Sun Microsystem, Oracle, Java tutorial available freely. That is also freely available. You can use. For getting more knowledge, this is the best book. Sun certified or Oracle certified, SCJP or OCPJP by Kathy Sierra author. It is the best book for getting more knowledge. This book also PDF available freely. You can download from internet. So you refer my notes and refer Java 2 complete reference book and Sun or Oracle. No, for Java tutorials. Sun SCJP OCPJP by Kathy Sierra. Kathy Sierra books are there, nice books, and you'll get it good programming skills with this book. But you should have more patience to learn this book. Okay, patience is important. But this book is once if you start reading until completion of that book, you will not get a sleep. But if you don't understand, you will get a sleep. So little hard to understand, but you prefer that one. Nice book, very nice book. Okay. This book is available in internet. SCJP by Kathy Sierra, PDF. This book, but this is old book. Java 11 available in the market. This is old book, but old book also okay. Only new features will not be there. New features will not be there. It is Java 6. Java 6. This is 7. OCA, OCP. Okay. The book, maybe 11 book available. Kathy Sira author will be there. You can check author. Okay. Eleven book available in the market also, I think. Okay, that is maybe freely not available. Up to 6 or 7, it is their old book. This book is available in the market also. Author name Kathy Sira. Okay, this is a nice book to get programming skills. Okay, there is no unnecessary points. Whatever required exact point will be there. Any concept like that they written. Okay, almost 90% of the people satisfied with that book worldwide. That much popular. Okay. So refer these all for getting more knowledge. My duty completed, your duty not completed. Daily you practice. Okay. Those who are attending, those are full stack Java students. Already given. This is only core Java course. This class. You have to attend advanced Java class. You have to attend Spring class. You have to attend development security operations class and Selenium and Oracle, HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Angular. This Angular 15. These 8 courses, 8 batches you have to attend. Full stack Java students. Angular 15, I think. Angular JS now no one is using, I think. 15. Angular 15. Say core Java. Now this is only core Java completed. Parallel, those who completed HTML and Oracle, I think many people completed these two also. These three, those who completed. Now I think already few people attending advanced Java also. Now no need to wait for attending these classes. You can attend now parallelly also. No need to wait. If any Spring batch is there, now you can join parallelly. Advanced Java Solid's introduction only required. No need to wait until completion of Advanced Java. For this one also same. For this one only core Java required. For this one HTML, CSS, JavaScript required. So those who didn't learn Advanced Java till wait for these two. These two only you have to wait. These two, Spring and development security operations, Advanced Java Solid's introduction required. Selenium you can attend parallelly. Angular 15 you can attend parallelly. Possible now. Okay. These 8 courses, if it is completed, then full stack Java completed. These 8 courses, 8 batches. Okay. I'm wishing you all the best. Okay. Thank you all. If any doubts are there, mail to my mail ID. But you'll get a replay only on Sundays. Okay. This is my mail ID. If you get any doubt, you can mail to my mail ID also.